what's up guys, welcome back. This is Dinesh here, and in this video I'll show you how to play a video inside your Android application. By the end of this video you'll get the following output. When you click on the play button, a video will start playing, and you can see over here the video will also have these media components, that is the play, forward, backward buttons along with the slider indicating the length of the video. So guys, after understanding what will be the output, let's start with the programming. I have already gone ahead and created a new application by the name of ed_video. Next, I'll change the relative layout to linear layout, as I want the button and the video view to be one below the other. I will now change the orientation to vertical. Next, I'll add the button and the video view inside the application. So first I'll add the button, I'll change the text of the button to play. Next, I'll add the video view component, which is placed inside the containers. So I'll drag the video view on the screen. Next, I will now set an on-click listener for my button. I'll give this a name of video play, and I'll change the width of the button to match back. Okay, so now my design looks like this. Next, I'll go to the main activity.java, and over here I'll write the code for the button and the video view. Video V. I'll press Alt Enter and import the button class. Next, below the set content view, I'll show the IDs of the button and video views inside the variable. So I'll type down CLK. Next, I'll show the ID inside the video V for the video view. So since I want to play a video when the button is clicked, I first need to store a video inside my application. Now, to store a video inside my application, I'll first go to the app folder. Next, inside the app folder, inside this RES folder, I'll create a folder inside which the video will be stored. So I'll right click on RES, I'll click on new folder, RES folder, that is a resource folder, I'll choose it. Next, I'll click on this checkbox, and after the RES/2, I'll put over here raw. Next, I'll hit finish. Now, as you can see, a raw folder has been created inside the RES folder. So I've already placed a video on the desktop by the name of cloud.mp4, which is in the mp4 format. So I'll copy it and paste it inside the raw folder. So now, after copying the video, I will now declare the method for the button. So guys, when the button is clicked, this method will be called, and inside this method, I'll first store the location of the video song inside a string variable. So since I'm storing the location in a string variable, I type string. I'll give this a name of video path, that is, a variable name is video path, and I'll set it equal to double quotes, and inside this I'll write down android dot resource colon double slash. Now after this double slash, you basically have to type down the package name of your application. So as you can see, the package name of my application is com.engineersdream.ed_video. So I'll copy this package name without the semicolon, and I'll paste it after the double slash. Now after the ed_video, I'll again put a slash, and next I'll concatenate this with r.raw.cloud. So as you can see, as I type raw dot, the Android has automatically detected that there is a video by the name of cloud inside the raw folder. So basically, I'm storing the resource inside this string variable, and the type of resource is a video. Now after this, on the next line, I will declare the code for URI space small URI, that is its variable name, equal to URI.pass. And as you can see, this command basically accepts a string value. So I will store this string variable, that is the video path, inside the URI.pass. Now let me explain you what do you mean by URI. URI stands for Uniform Resource Identifier. URI basically accepts a string of characters to identify a resource. This resource can be a location of a place, a person's name, a phone call number, email ID, etc. Commonly used examples of URI are tel for identifying a phone number, maps for identifying the location of a place, and may2 for identifying an email ID. The most common form of URI that we use in our day-to-day life is URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. So a URI is basically used for identifying a resource. In this case, the resource that is to be identified is a video file, and when we write URI.parse, this command basically understands that we have stored the path of a video file, and this path is in the form of string. So as I said, URI basically accepts a string, and this entire string which is passed by the URI we then store inside the URI variable. So guys, once you have understood what is a URI, I will now write a code for playing this video by the name of cloud inside a video view. So for that, I will now write down video view, that is a video view variable dot set video URI, and as you can see, this accepts the input as a URI. Okay, so inside the round bracket, I'll type the URI variable, that is small URI, and after this, I will now write down video v dot start to basically start a video. Next, I'll click on the play button and I'll check the output. So as you can see, my application is loaded over here. Next, if I click on the play button, you can see the video has started playing. So guys, as you saw, as I clicked on the play button, the video started playing, but this video is missing the play and the pause button. Now, if you want to see the media controls, that is the play, pause as well as the slider inside your video, then we need to add a media controller component inside our application. So let's go ahead and add the media controller components. So I'll minimize this. Next, after the video view code, I will declare the media controller. So I'll write media controller. I'll give this a variable name of media C. After this, below the video view, I'll again write down media C equal to new media controller, and inside the bracket, I'll write down this. Next, as you can see, I'm not getting any error over here, but if you guys are coding this application for the first time, you may get an error below the new media controller bracket this, okay? And that is basically because sometimes Android Studio imports the wrong widget. So as you can see over here, I have all the widgets for the button, video view and the URI, and this widget android.widget.mediacontroller is for the media controller data type. So if you have a widget by any other name, just copy this widget type in that place, that is android.widget.mediacontroller, and this error should basically go away. So that's just an additional information that I showed you guys. For me, the widget got imported properly, but sometimes the widget doesn't get imported properly. So next, I'll minimize this, and now above the video view.start, I'll just add 2 lines of code so that the media controller is linked with my video view. Video v dot set media controller, and inside the brackets I will write down the variable of the media controller, that is media C, and below this I will write one more command, that is media C dot set anchor view, and inside this round bracket I will write down the variable name of the video view, that is video v. Okay, so guys, that basically finishes the program. Next, I'll go ahead and run the application. Now my application is loaded again. Next, I'll click on the play button, but guys, before clicking on the play button, let me tell you one more thing. When your video starts playing, if you want to see the media controllers, you have to click on your video. So I'll click on the play button. Our video has started. Next, if I click on the video screen, you can see I'm getting a media controller with the play, pause, forward, backward and a slider. So if I play it and click on the backward button, you can see the video is going backward. If I press forward, it's going forward. So guys, that basically finishes our video. I hope from this video you would have understood how to play a video inside your Android application. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, please like and share this video, and do click on the subscribe button for learning Android from scratch. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.